After the charcoal has been gathered, we proceed to the packaging processing. This is a crucial process, ensuring packaging conforms to appearance and quality standards. Our sawdust charcoal is carefully classified before packaging. Workers carefully arrange charcoal into cartons by hand according to the required quantity. Our charcoal is packed in plastic bags and with handles strapped outside carton. Once the packing is completed, the goods will be stacked on pallets. Forklifts lift the palletized goods into containers. Workers unload and arrange them in the containers.